everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
I've been raving about this amazing acrylic cutting board by HYGIENISLIDE, and I have to share it with you. If you're into cooking and juicing like me, this cutting board is a must-have in your kitchen. What I love about it, it's its clear design. You can just place it on the countertop without it looking out of place. And it's super versatile as well. You can cut veggies, fruits, bread, and meat with ease. One cool thing about this cutting board is that it includes a bin. It's easy to attach and remove from the drawer so you can toss away your waste without any hassle. The acrylic material is also super easy to clean. Just a quick wipe or wash and it's good as new. In short, this acrylic cutting board is a game changer for any kitchen. It saves you time by letting you set it up on the countertop, and its anti-slip properties and easy to clean design makes it super practical. I highly recommend it.
And that's my point of view.